In this video, we'll show you how to delete all your liked and disliked videos on YouTube at once. So to do this, first open any web browser on your phone and then search for My Activity Google. Now click on this My Activity link. In this menu, you will need to sign in with your Google account that you are using on YouTube. Now scroll down and then tap on YouTube History. In this menu, you will need to scroll down and then tap on Manage History option. Here you will need to switch to the Interactions tab. Now go to Video Likes and Dislikes. Now in this menu, you will see all the videos that you have disliked or liked. You don't need to click on this X icon one by one to remove them. Simply tap this three dot icon and then select Delete All. Now as you can see, it will delete all your likes and dislikes on YouTube videos. Now select delete to confirm and you are good to go. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to